So today we're just gonna film a quick couple of videos on flood coating UV epoxy. We're gonna show how we mix it and how it goes. So we got the UV epoxy right there. Here is a board that is unfinished that we're just gonna seal, and we're gonna take that sealed board or one like it, and then we're gonna give it a nice even flood coat. All right, so we put the resin in a bucket of warm water, nice Windsor bucket there for a little bit, and now we're gonna mix it UV epoxy 1:1. That's what the resin should look like coming out of the container. So this is a seal coat. Watch it get nice and clear. So that's gonna seal up all the pores. Bryce is just sealing all the edges. That's gonna trap all the air into the board. So when we do a flood coat, there's gonna be less bubbles coming out from the wood. So for the record, that 1 foot by 2 feet tabletop took 100 milliliters to seal that. So we have now about 600 mils that we're going to use to flood coat this 1 by 3 foot piece. Around the outside, around the outside. It's usually easier to go around the outside and then drag it in. So we got all the resin poured on, all 600 mils. Now we're just going to fan it as even as possible. So if we have enough product, we just let it literally drip over the edge. We'll take a foam brush and clean that part up. And we don't usually worry about any of those little bubbles underneath. Those will just get scraped off or sanded off once this is cured. Okay, so we just flood coated this. We let it sit here for 2 or 3 minutes. You can see there's a couple bubbles in the piece, and we will hit those with a heat gun shortly. And after popping a few bubbles, the end result, like glass.